Hey guys, welcome to my channel Phone Garage. Today, we'll help you to hard reset Tecno KF6P device. Let's start. First step. Press hold volume up and power key at same time. Then release power key when show Tecno logo. Then press power key first and hold. Then press volume up key. Then press volume down key to scroll down and select wipe data and factory reset. And press power key to enter. When wipe data is complete, then reboot your device to pressing power key. Fast forwarding this part to enjoy this video. Subscribe Phone Garage for more videos. Done. Your hard reset is successfully done. Comment for Tecno KF6P RP bypass.